Welcome to Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015 coffee mug tutorials. I'm Johannes Gudmundsson, founder of Enacta, a Microsoft Gold certified partner. In this easy to follow instructional video series, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Dynamics NAV by using one simple item as an example, in this case a coffee mug. I'll walk you through how to create items, purchase orders, sales orders, track and manipulate inventory, and much more. So go ahead and grab your own cup of joe and let's get started, shall we?
Hello there and welcome to the coffee mug tutorials. In this video I'm going to focus on sales prices and purchase prices. I've been selling the coffee mug and buying the coffee mug over and over again in these videos, but I've usually been typing in the purchase price and the sales price, sort of ad hoc. My customers are getting a little bit tired of me always negotiating every single sale, so I've decided to set a standard price for the coffee mug. And then I have a special relationship with the Canon group, so I want to set up a special price for them. So let me go ahead and show you how that is done. I'm basically here in my item list, and I'm going to browse to my coffee mug. And I'm going to go straight into the item cart. Now on the item cart, in the invoicing tab, I can see I have unit cost. This unit cost is calculated based on my purchases of that item. So that's a calculated cost. I cannot put in a cost here. The unit price, however, is a field there I can input a price, and that is sort of the standard price for this item. So if I go ahead and I'm going to set the standard price to be $20 for a coffee cup. It's a really nice one. Okay, now that is a standard price that goes to all customers. Now I really would like to have a special price for the Canon group. How would I do that? Well, there is something up here. If I go into navigate, sales prices. So this is a price table for my coffee mug, and here I can set up different parameters and different prices for different customers. Basically I have an option here called sales type, where I can select whether I want the price to apply to only one customer, or a whole price group, all customers, or a campaign. So I could have, instead of put a standard price for the item, I could have just put all customers and given it a price. That would have been the same thing. In this case, I'm just going to specify one customer. I'm going to look for the Canon group. And the unit of measure that they're buying in is pieces. There's no minimum quantity. I could have put that in here if I wanted them to buy at least something to get a good price, but there's no requirement for that. I'm going to give them $15, and the starting date and end date of this is open, meaning that there is no period that it only applies to. And that's basically it. So now I'm going to close out and show you how that works on a sales order. Go to the sales order right here, create a new one. Now first I'm going to sell to somebody else than the Canon group. We'll send to New Concepts Furniture, who is going to offer free coffee mugs with every desk they sell. I go to the item, coffee mug, and I can see my unit price automatically comes in as 20. It's saying that I don't have 15 in the yellow location, which is the standard location for the New Concepts Furniture. Okay, sorry. I'm then not going to sell out of the yellow, but the blue, and put 15. Standard price is 20. and we're good. Alright. Now let's create a new sales order. And this one is going to go to the canon group. The canon group. And let's take notice to the price. Coffee mug. Put 20. Notice that the price is now 15. So we have effectively created a price structure for the coffee mug depending on who we're selling it to. Now, if we take a look at the purchase prices, if I go back to the items, and go to my coffee mug, I can take a look at the prices on the purchase side and set up for a vendor the custom metals that we're going to buy pieces, no minimum, for $10. That's a negotiated price. And now I go back, I go to a purchase order. It's the same concept as the sales. Create a new purchase order. Oops, to custom metals. Right here. Item, coffee mug. And notice the cost comes in at 10. And that was explaining how sales prices and purchase prices work in NAV for our dear and beloved coffee mug.